just want to say a few words about the workshop. It's a 3-month workshop. The first month is spent allowing an outline to emerge through doing a lot of stream of consciousness, writing exercises, and working with the structure questions. The second month is devoted to writing the first draft of your screenplay. And then the final 5 weeks, we spend doing a polish of your screenplay. I'm teaching a process of marrying the wildness of your imagination to the rigor of story structure. If you've never written a screenplay before, or if you've written many, this workshop is for writers at all levels. We get writers that are A-list screenwriters, working with people who are complete novices. This is about starting wherever you are and deepening your relationship to story structure. If you would like to see the intro to the 90-day screenplay workshop, just email us at info@lawriterslab.com and we'll send you a taste of what the workshop holds. If you love movies, we're going to be watching lots of movie clips. We're going to be breaking down stories, and you're going to learn a lot in the next 90 days. I look forward to working with you soon.